Hey YouTube, I'll be showing you my Colt CC1 bike check. So first of all, start with the rims. I think there's some Ringo rims. I'm not sure about that. So yeah, I got that. I got 20 by 2.10 Kenda tire. I'm gonna switch my tires like a little bit longer. I got Odyssey twisted pedals. Same thing with the back. I got a Colt chain. Colt seat post with the Colt seat and a Colt stem with some Colt bars, Chase D Hart Colt bars. Yeah, grips. They're squishy. The bar ends. So that's pretty much all my bike check. Oh yeah, and the sprocket. So I don't know what it is. So thanks for watching. Bye.